Question number 5. In an AP, if pth term is 1 by q and qth term is 1 by p, prove that the sum of first pq terms is 1 by 2 into pq plus 1, comma, p is not equal to q. Solution. According to the problem, a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by q, say number 1, and a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by p, say number 2. 2 minus 1 implies a minus a will get cancels. So then you will get q minus 1 minus in bracket p minus 1 into, we can take d common, is equal to 1 by p minus 1 by q, implies q minus 1 minus p plus 1 into d is equal to q minus p divided by pq after taking LCM. Implies d is equal to q minus p divided by pq into this q minus p we can bring to denominator, implies d is equal to 1 by pq. Substituting d is equal to 1 by pq in 1, we get a plus p minus 1 into 1 by pq is equal to 1 by q, implies pq is the LCM. A pq plus p minus 1 is equal to 1 by q. So q and q we can cancel, implies a pq plus p minus 1 is equal to p. P and p will get cancelled, implies a is equal to 1 by pq. Therefore, sum of first pq terms, that is s pq, is equal to pq divided by 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 1 by pq, that is 2 by pq, plus pq minus 1 into d, d value is 1 by pq, is equal to pq divided by 2 into bracket, pq is the LCM, 2 plus PQ minus 1 divided by PQ. PQ and PQ we can cancel, is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket PQ 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Question number 7. Find the sum to n terms of the AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. Solution. Kth term, that is AK, is equal to 5k plus 1. A1, that is first term, is equal to 5 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 6, is nothing but as a and A2 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 11. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, that is A2 minus A1, is equal to 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Therefore, sum of n terms of an AP, that is Sn, is equal to n by 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 6, plus n minus 1 into d, that is 5, is equal to n by 2 into bracket 12 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to n by 2 into bracket 5n plus 7. Eighth question. If the sum of n terms of an AP is Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants, find the common difference. Solution. Sum of n terms of an AP, that is Sn, is equal to Pn plus Q n square. S1 is equal to, that is A or A1 first term, sum of first term, is equal to P into 1 plus Q into 1 square is equal to P plus Q. And S2 is equal to A1 plus A2 is equal to P into 2, n is equal to 2, plus Q into 2 square is equal to 2PQ plus 4Q. For this, say number 1. For second, S2, say number 2. 2 minus 1 implies S2 minus S1 is equal to A1 minus A1. That cancels. you will get A2 is equal to 2P plus 4Q minus P minus Q is equal to 2P minus P 1P plus 4Q minus Q plus 3Q. Therefore, common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to P plus 3Q minus P minus Q is equal to P and P will get cancels. D is equal to will get 2Q. Question number 9. The sums of n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of their 18th terms. Solution. Let A1, A2 and D1, D2 be the first term and common difference of two APs respectively. According to the problem, sum of n terms of first AP divided by sum of n terms of second AP is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6 implies n by 2 into bracket 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 divided by n by 2 into 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. This n by 2 and n by 2 will get cancels. Implies 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 divided by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. Say number 1. 18th term of first AP divided by 18th term of second AP is equal to A1 plus 17D1 divided by A2 plus 17D2. Say number 2. Substituting n is equal to 35 in 1, we get 2A1 plus 34D1 divided by 2A2 plus 34D2 is equal to 5 into 35 plus 4 divided by 9 into 35 plus 6 is equal to 35 into 5, 175 plus 4 divided by 315 plus 6 implies A1 plus 17D1 divided by A2 plus 17D2 is equal to 179 divided by 321. Say number 3. From 2 and 3, 18th term of first AP divided by 18th term of second AP is equal to 179 divided by 321. Therefore, required ratio is equal to 179 is to 321.